let's just see the beef here, they're cutting it up. These are all the restaurants what are on offer in the building where I am now. Thai restaurant. Some ducks. Here's another hot pot place. So there's three hot pot places in the space of like 30 seconds walk. This is a Sunday evening stroll around my neighbourhood. Maybe it's a bit strange for people because it's not like Bangkok where you walk around and everyone's talking to you and people are making videos. I'm probably the only one walking around doing this, but never mind. Behind me here, this is a building where I live in, and if you look at the link in my description, you'll see the video about the cost of living, my apartment, which is quite popular for people who are looking to move to Taiwan. So I've just come outside on one of the rooftops where my building is. It's the same building as IKEA. I think the sun's already set. Let's have a look. Obviously I should know if the sun's set or not. It's still light, but there's no sun. So does that mean it's set? I don't know. So I'm just going to take you through where it's called Q Square. It's like a shopping centre where the IKEA is, and then I'll cut through onto the main high street outside my house just to see what's happening, see what's going on. Maybe nothing, but Sunday evening it seems pretty quiet. It's starting to get really cold, although I'm still in t-shirt and shorts. It's not until probably mid-November that you got to start putting trousers on, or as Americans say, pants. So just cutting through. MRT is just down there, really accessible. These are all the restaurants what are on offer in the building where I am now, Q Square. As you can see, there's a lot. But if you ask me, it's all overpriced for the quality of what you get. We've got IKEA Cafe here, but unfortunately, the news says it's going to close down, which is a shame. Here's someone doing a bit of music in front of IKEA. So give him the ad on Instagram, played_long. Okay, so heading to one of the exits now, which will take us onto the high street. No editing happening. This is just a random video of a neighborhood. So I have no idea what's going to be shown, what's going to happen. Escalated, people are meant to stand on the right, so we can walk past. We'll try and get past now, right there. Sorry, do it. Sorry, do it. Sorry, do it. So normally people stand on the right, so if you want to walk down, you can go on the left. So I just had to go past, as you saw. Now, this is one of the MRT exits, what I've just come out of, which is the same building as where I live. And then I live down here, which I'll go, when I go back home, I'll show you down here. There's a range of coffee shops, there's like 3 7-Elevens within 1 minute walk, and a Family Mart down here as well. And then just down the street, down here, is a supermarket where I do my groceries. So location-wise, neighbourhood-wise, I've got everything I need. Gym and swimming pool at my place as well. Here's Moss Burger. I also made a video about Moss Burger. Not very impressed about it. And we've got Family Mart. Thai restaurant. And then a cool IG friendly restaurant called D Bon Bon. Actually it's DD Bon Bon because it's D squared. Still quite new. People are going there to pay like £7 for a burger, which is quite expensive in Taiwan. Another 7-Eleven, just in case you missed the first three. Across the road here is a really easy to get dumpling shop, which is a chain store. Here we've got some ducks. If you fancy a duck. See, all along here, bakeries, shops, a little market here for some street food. So as soon as you step out, you can get something to eat, depending what you feel like. So I'll just take you out the front here. In the morning, this is a morning market with all fruit, different meat. In the evening, it turns into, as you can see, just some street food bits and bobs. So again, if you look through my channel, there's plenty of videos of some street food action. This here is like a pudding shop, jelly tofu pudding. Won't be having any tofu pudding. Across the street, there's a restaurant called Lira Street 6. Never been, I should have. Where am I pointing? Over here. Lira Street 6 looks nice, but I've never been. And then again across the road you've got a load of Thai. There's like a chicken and rice place, there's a seafood place. It's just food everywhere. A load of hot pot places. It's a hot pot place, but no one's in there yet. Here's another hot pot place. So if you don't know what a hot pot is, basically it's just boiling hot water. You can put in different flavour in, chili or barbecue flavour. You put in a load of vegetable, a load of meat, and you just boil it. And that is a hot pot. Here's another hot pot place. So there's three hot pot places in the space of like 30 seconds walk. Here's my favourite place coming up. Traditional restaurant, what I love. Good price. You can go and have yourself a beer from the fridge. Got to stay away from the seafood. You can choose your own lobster. Pretty amazing. Okay, across the road, loads of U-bikes, so they're the rental bikes, what you can just get on. Bakery shop, Mianbao, bread, bakery shop. Across the way, there's a load of new buildings that are being constructed, so basically, maybe around, what, 5-minute cycle. Let's cross the road, I'll just show you. 5-minute cycle is another MRT on the yellow line. So now all the land from here between the MRT, new apartments and buildings are being built. These were still being finished off during COVID. What are quite nice, they're finished now and people have started moving in. But all the way down between them is still building work going on. Let's see if I can go across and check out the reception. So it's not it's not too far. It's not too far from the MRT station where I am. It's literally like 5 minutes walk. So location wise, not bad. Price wise, to buy is ridiculous for the amount of square meter you get. But to rent an apartment here, I'm not sure if you got a swimming pool and gymnasium like me, but it's pretty much like hotel living with a reception and everything. You're probably looking, what, 40,000, 30, yeah, you're probably looking around £750. Don't know what that is in US dollars off the top of my head, maybe 900 US dollars. So just looking in now, look, it's got a hotel vibe to it. Yeah, possibly it's going to be more towards 1,000 to 1,200 USD a month, depending on size. Maybe just for one studio space, yeah, probably 900 USD, which it wouldn't be worth it. I mean, I'm paying less, but because these are newer, I'm right on top of the MRT as well, so I'd rather be where I am. Come across to the other side of the road now, and I'll just take you down one of the side streets, because there's like 5 or 6 different side streets, all with their own little morning markets or coffee shops or breakfast shops. There's just no end. So ideally for location, look, it's not in Taipei City, new Taipei City, but you're in Taipei, the center, in around, what, 12-14 minutes by MRT. Really easy. So accessibility to all the main areas, convenience is 100%. Convenience 100%. The only annoying bit is where I am, sometimes you have to wait a little bit longer for the MRT to come. Could be anything up to 15 minutes. But there's another restaurant here, just full of them everywhere. Here's the chicken and rice one. They do pork dishes as well. I like the Thai chicken here, beautiful. And you can just order it from outside, go in and take the order. So let's go down here. It's closed, but across here is my favorite breakfast brunch shop. So open from, let me try and cross quickly. Open from 6 a.m. in the morning until 1 p.m. Let's check. Oh, 5:30 a.m. until 1:30. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You go there, you can spend £3 or £4 and you get an awesome breakfast. You got a nice coffee shop here as well across the road. So this is just down one of the side streets. Like I said, there's multiple of this style. There's another noodle shop. This is quite new, but it's not my type of vibe because a lot of the commercial ones, like I said before, the quality isn't great. Here's a beef restaurant. I've never been here because I like the all-you-can-eat places. This isn't all-you-can-eat. Let's just see the beef here. They're cutting it up. So they're just getting ready for the evening serving inside here. It's like a busy one. Yeah, and it just carries all the way down until you get to another supermarket, Jarafu, Careful. You got dentists, more apartments. Here's a look at the apartments here. and it's all really safe. You can walk around any time of day or night, morning. You can cycle down here, it doesn't get too busy. You know, if people are walking around on the road or cycling, they do stop for you. And yeah, that's my little neighborhood. And the good thing is, I'm only literally like 10-minute cycle from this end now where I am onto the Bitan River. I turn around now and go back home. And then the other way, I've been before to Bitan. I've showed you on video. Another 5-minute walk, or 5-minute cycle, 10-minute walk. So location-wise, beautiful if you like exercising in the morning. You've got all your restaurants, coffee shops, grocery shops, morning market, some night market nibbles, steak, new apartments, pretty clean. No, you don't feel any sense of danger at all. Not like some places when you walk around in other countries, mostly back home in the West. Yeah, everything's just relaxed, chilled, nice Sunday evening. Okay, let's walk back now. I'll show you back towards my place. Dumpling place. Kind of a local pharmacy where you can get everything you need. They've probably got a cure for COVID in there as well. People just go in and get pills. More dentists. This is the other side of the road now. Thai restaurant, Family Mart. Another 7-Eleven coming up. Here's a bar. Let's have a quick look. I used to go to this a couple of years ago, but I don't go out as much, if at all. Only when I'm going away to different countries. Pretty cool. Japanese style. Not many seats, it's quite exclusive, which makes it nice. So there's coffee shop, you got Cosmed, which is all your medicine needs, and it's a bit like Boots in the UK, pharmacy. This is the entrance to my place. And then you got another 7-Eleven around the corner here. And normally they have some market stalls in front here. Load of taxis out here, so you got MRT taxis, you got the bikes. And then the river where I went to at the start of the video, the mountains, is just over here. And that's me back home. Not very eventful on a Sunday night. That's my quiet little neighborhood. See you later.